Hello and welcome to ISE 2020. I'm Glenn Lightbody from Blackmagic Design. We're here looking at the video assist range. So these are our latest video assists. We have a 5-inch and a 7-inch. Now the great thing about these video assists is they take the same design as our older video assists, but these are 12 gig SDI. So that's UHD up to 60 frames through a single SDI cable. As you can see on the side, there's SDI in and SDI out. There's also HDMI in and HDMI out. So of course you can use those. You can use cameras that have HDMI or SDI. We have a look at the 7-inch. You can see there's also 2 analog audio connectors. So, for example, if you need to do voiceovers and you want to do it directly onto the card, you can do it through those. You can plug a microphone directly into the video assist, and you can use that. And again, the great thing about these, using a video assist or an off-board recorder is it makes it much easier to focus the camera and, of course, to record internally. So you can see we've got the 2 SD card inputs on the side of the unit, and on the smaller 4-inch version we have 1 input. So the other great aspect of these is they are HDR. So the screens, if you want to record HDR, these have the ability to let you not only monitor but also record HDR content. Thank you very much. For more information, go to blackmagicdesign.com.